I'm gonna start recording, and here we have today's our class number 9, and this is today's topic. Today we are going to talk about suggestions and offers. You have to be careful with this pronunciation. It is suggestions, sound, suggestions. So at the end of this class, you will know suggestions and offers and how to use them correctly. So here we have. This is today's warm-up activity. I will choose one of you to say a place, and after that, that student will choose another student to do the same. So I will start. I will choose Anna. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Can you say a place, please?
Here silent.
Can you repeat?
Hair salon. Peluquería.
Okay, hair salon. That's good.
Salon.
That's good. Now, can you choose another student, please?
Henry.
Henry, you there?
Okay, restaurant.
Restaurant. That's amazing. Now,
Okay.
can you choose another student, please?
¿Quién habla ahorita? Disculpa para. No.
Anna. Anna has
okay.
just talked.
Okay, Raquel.
Can you repeat, please?
Raquel.
Raquel, you there?
Yes, teacher. Bookstore.
Bookstore. Great. Now, can you choose another student, and that will be the last one?
Paola.
Paula. Is Paula in there? Paula, you there? I think Paula is not there. Can you choose another?
Maciel.
Maciel, you there?
Yep, a park.
A park. Great. Okay. Okay, I almost forgot this. Sergio, are you there?
Yes.
Can you tell me the name of your teacher, please?
Domingo Martinez.
Domingo. And can you tell me your last name, please?
Juarez.
Juarez. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. So here on the right side we have a short definition about what a place is, and a place is a location available for being used by someone. And here we had some examples: field, cafe, bar, pub, train station, and house. Do you have any questions?
No, any.
Okay, so here we have on the left side the meaning of suggestions and the meaning of offers. Here we have suggestions. It's an idea, plan, or action put forward for consideration. This is a suggestion, and here we have some examples. What shall we do this weekend? How about inviting Jack? So this is a suggestion. And this is an offer. An offer is to provide or supply something. For example, would you like some coffee? Could I offer you a cupcake? So here we have something. Coffee, a cupcake is something. And here we have an idea, plan, or action. What shall we do this weekend? This is an idea for a possible plan. How about inviting Jack? This is an action. Okay? Invite Jack to a plan. Do you have any questions about suggestions and offers?
No, teacher.
Sounds great. So here on the right side we have the structures for suggestions and for offers. The suggestions would be in blue and the offers would be in red. So here we have in blue, here we have three possible structures. Here we have one chart, the second chart, and the third chart. They have three possible structures. We have to be really careful, so let's look at them one by one. Here we have in the first chart we have four possible structures. Okay, here we have why don't we plus the verb, the complement, and a question mark at the end, or shall we plus the verb, could, here we have like two in one. Okay, here we can say could we plus the verb, or might we plus the verb, would you like to plus the verb. This verb you have to be really careful because it is the basic form. It is the basic form of the infinitive. So if you're not understanding this, don't be worried. Here we have many examples that will give you a better and clear explanation. So let's take a look. Here we have why don't we go to see a film? In this case, the verb.
Teacher, disculpe, una pregunta.
Okay.
¿Qué significa shall we?
Shall we es como debería. Deberíamos
Ah,
hacer. Okay. Deberíamos más el verbo de acción.
ir al mall, ajá. Al centro comercial.
Ajá. In this case, shall we go means deberíamos ir al centro comercial.
Ah, ok. Gracias, teacher.
No worries. And here we have could and might, which means the same. They are podría. Or in this case, might we or could we means podríamos. So here we have why don't we plus the verb in basic form. So we usually use the verb go in here. So why don't we go to see a film? Should we go to the mall? Could we play? Be careful. It is always the verb in the basic form of the infinitive. Okay, it is not correct saying why don't we going? Why don't we to go? Shall we going? Shall we to go? That is not correct. We have to say only the basic form. Only go. Only play. Only study. Okay, it is not would you like to study? No, that's not correct. Would you like to studying? Not correct. Only basic form. Study. Right? Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Oh yeah, that's great. Just wait for a second.
Lo único que no puedo ver la presentación. Yo aquí no puedo ver la presentación, pero bueno, lo estoy siguiendo por la conversación.
Pero por el internet o
Reinaldo, cierra la.
Bueno, yo
Reinaldo, cuando te pase eso, cierra y vuelves a entrar.
sí, eso ayuda.
ok, déjame hacerlo ahí.
Okay.
Ok.
So all students, do you have any questions about this first structure?
No, teacher, everything is clear.
So that's amazing. Really good. So yes, this is the point. The verb is always in basic form. Okay? Don't be confused with that. Now here we have the second structure, and you have to be really careful because these structures from the beginning they were for interrogative sentences, and this second chart and second structure is for affirmative sentences only. Okay, so here we have let's plus the verb. So let's take that bus. Let's work in there. Okay, so this is affirmative and this is interrogative. Okay? Any questions?
Cool, teacher.
O sea, teacher, solamente usamos el shall, could y would para interrogativas.
You're right. You're right.
Solo interrogativas.
Only interrogatives.
Okay.
Why don't we,
Okay.
shall we, could we, and would you like to are always interrogative.
Okay, gracias.
Anytime. And let's is always affirmative. Now here we have another structure. Here we have two options. Here we have how about or what about plus. Here we have two options. We can use a noun or we can use a verb in gerund form. This is not in basic form. This is in gerund. So you need to add ing at the end of the verb. For example, how about inviting? This is the gerund form of the verb invite. So here you can say inviting Jane. How about inviting Jane? Or for example, what about the restaurant? This is a noun, okay? What about the restaurant? Here we have another option. How about watching? Watching is a verb in gerund form. This is the gerund form of the verb watch. This is watching a match. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions with this third chart?
No, teacher.
Sounds
No,
great.
teacher.
Vean que los separé en dos cuadros distintos porque ambos son interrogativos, pero están separados en cuadros distintos. O los coloqué yo separados en cuadros distintos. Porque este de aquí arriba es con verbo en basic form y este de aquí abajo es con verbo en gerund y con nouns. Entonces, para que no los confundan. Okay? So, can we continue? Is this clear?
Yes, teacher.
Sounds
Yes, teacher.
great. Now here we have for offers. Would you like plus a noun, and could I offer you plus a noun? For example, would you like a slice of bread? This is a noun. Could I offer you something to drink? This is a noun too. Would you like Chinese food? This is a noun too. So, do you have any questions about suggestions and offers?
Para hacer ofertas solo se utilizan esas dos. Would you like, could you like, o go.
Sí, sería la forma,
Ok.
digamos, formales de poder hacer ofertas. ¿Ok?
Okay.
That's good. So, now
Teacher, the difference between the two suggestion and offers is the complement because
yes, the complement and the form of the verb, because for offers we only use offers with something, with nouns, okay? But with suggestions we use verbs because here we have ideas, plans, actions. Okay?
okay.
Any,
Thanks.
anytime. So here we have, now that we know how to make suggestions and how to make offers, here we have how to answer. Okay, we have three options. We can express agreement, so this means yes. We can express disagreement, which means no, and we can suggest another alternative. Okay, this means I don't want that, but what if we do this other thing? Okay, so let's look at them one by one. Let's take a look. to express agreement, we have many options. We can say, sounds great, sounds good to me, let's do that, it's a good idea, okay, fine, or this is informal, I'm up for it. Okay, so I will choose two students and I will choose Henry and Raquel. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I would need you to read this example. Henry would read the first line and Raquel the second line. Okay?
Okay. Let's invite them to the concert.
Sounds good. Sounds good to me.
Sounds great. Really good. Really good job. Okay, now let's continue. Do you have any questions with agreements?
No, any.
No.
That's it. So, to express disagreement, we have many options. Here we have like two sentences in one. Here we can say, I'm not sure, or I'm not sure about that. Here we have, I don't think it's a good idea. Or here we have, you had better not. Or here we have another, because here we have two in one. We had better not. And here we have the contraction. This is the same. We can say, remember, here we have like two in one. You'd better not, or with better not. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Sounds correct. So now, I will choose.
Teacher, sorry. ¿Puede repetir la pronunciación de you and we con la contracción de esa de por y disculpe?
Es prácticamente igual, solo con una d al final. You'd, with.
Thanks, teacher.
Solo que yo exagero la d para que la oigan. Okay, now I will choose two students to read these examples, and they would be Edwards and Jessica. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
And
Yes, teacher.
okay, so Edwards, the first line, and Jessica, the second line.
All right. How about invited her to the park?
I'm not sure about that.
Sounds correct. Really good. Okay, students, do you have any questions with this agreement?
No.
Sounds great. And now here, on the right side, we have to suggest an alternative. Okay, so here we have this is I'd rather means I prefer, and with better means we should. So here we have many options. Here we have like two in one. We can say I'd rather, which is the contraction, or we can say I would rather. Here we have another. Here we have like two in one. We can say with better, that is the contraction, or we can say we had better. Or finally, we can say only I prefer. Do you have any questions?
Profesor, esas son las contracciones.
Sí,
Disculpen.
sí,
Okay.
sí. I would is like the long sentence, and I've is a contraction of I would. Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, rather, ¿qué significa exactamente?
Preferiría. También es como sinónimo de preferir.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take a look. Here we have many examples. We have to be careful because here we have with the plus we have one line, but with the minus we have two lines. So I will choose one to read the first line, and the other student must read the second and the third line. So now I will choose Jorman and Irene. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you read? Jorman the first line and Irene the second and the third.
I'm right here. Yes. Okay. Let's go shopping tomorrow.
I'm not sure about that.
I'd rather stay at home.
Ajá,
No.
ese le toca a Irene.
I'm not sure about that. I'd rather stay at home.
Sounds great. Now, can you continue reading?
Me?
Pues, sí,
Irene.
pueden seguir con los siguientes ejemplos también.
Yes. Pero primero,
Jorman.
Jorman.
Okay, sorry. We could stay here.
I don't know. We'd better find a better place.
Good.
Shall we go for an ice cream?
It's a good idea, but I prefer a hot dog. Teacher, I prefer. What's the pronunciation?
It is prefer.
Prefer, but I prefer a hot dog. Okay.
Sounds great. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So let's jump to the question. To the activities. Here we have activity. Here we have the controlled practice. Here we have some blanks, and you have to complete them using the right suggestion or offer. Okay? Always remember, you have to be really careful with the complement. You have to be really careful if the verb is in basic form, and if it is interrogative, it is one of these. If the verb is in basic form and it is affirmative, is this one, let's. If we have a verb in gerund form and it is interrogative, it is how about or what about. And if we have a noun, we have to say how about or what about. And this is interrogative. And we also have the option that if it is noun, we can say would you like or could I offer you something. So let's, for example, here you have to be careful. Look, here we have the blank. You need to complete the blank. You have to look at the complement. This is a question, and this verb is in basic form. So you need to use one of this chart. Okay? So let's try with Maciel. Are you there?
Pues yo podría decir, could we make a birthday party for my grandma?
Could we make, let's take a look.
Could we make?
Could we make? Yes, sounds great.
Okay.
And can you do the number 2?
Puedo decir, shall we? Inviting all our neighbors.
No, because when we use shall we cannot use a gerund form in the verb. You have to use the basic form. Remember, shall we plus basic form. If we have
Okay.
the gerund form, we need to use one of these options.
Puedo decir, what about or how about?
Yes, only those options.
What about inviting all our neighbors?
That's it. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, So now let's pass to Bridget. Can you answer the number 3 and 4?
Okay. Number 2. It stops raining. Let's see a film.
That's it. Let's see a film. It is correct because this is affirmative. And the number 4?
Mm-hmm. Okay, number 4 is... Creo, no estoy muy seguro. Would you like Nicole? And that's chicken.
Can you repeat, please?
Would you like Nicole? Ajá, entonces sería, would you like Nicole?
Do you like?
Mm-hmm.
Let's check. Creo que aquí no tenemos do you like. Tenemos would you like con un noun. Pero esto sería como para cosas, ¿ok? Cosas que puedes ofrecer. Pero Nicole es una persona. En ese caso el noun
Okay,
no caería como una offer, sino que sería una suggestion. Como que, ¿y qué hay de esta persona? ¿Ok? Sería
Okay. Ah, ok, ya
No.
entiendo. Sería, podría decir, but about.
yes. For example, what about Oscar? How about Jane?
Ok, sí, ya, sí, es verdad, ya entendí, es verdad. Ujú. Sería, but about Nicole, that's chicken.
Sounds great. So now let's pass to Reinaldo. You there?
Profe, lamento que no puedo, tengo problemas con el internet y no puedo ver la presentación. Me he salido 3 veces y no he podido. Estoy escuchando, pero no veo. Ahora sí la veo. Ah, ok.
Okay. Can you try the number 5?
Ajá, ahora sí. Alright. What about Nicole? That's chicken.
That's good. But and the number 5. 5. But
Right. But how me? I don't want to stay here alone.
that's good. But be careful, it is not how me. Don't forget how about. Don't forget the about. How about?
About. How about
That's
Me.
it. So, but how about?
I don't
me?
want to stay here alone.
Sounds great.
All
Now,
right.
can you do the number
Thank
6
you.
too? Because the number 6. Can you try it, Reinaldo? Number 6. Play with your dad.
El sí no lo veo, profesor, porque veo hasta el 5, pero el 6 no lo puedo ver.
Ah, se congeló.
Sí, se congeló.
So
Sí,
that's
tengo un
really
problema
bad.
con internet, no sé. Estoy aquí en la ciudad capital, en Caracas, y que llegué de Puerto Ordaz y no, el internet me está fallando aquí.
Okay, that
Caracas.
happens. Okay, so let me pass to another student.
Disculpe, I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries. It happens. So now let's pass to Pilar. You there?
Hi, yes.
Can you do the number 6 and 7?
It's let's play with your dad.
That's it. And number 7?
It's the same or not?
It's the same.
It's let's visit Canada next year.
Sounds great. Really good. Now, Anna, you there?
Yes.
Can you do the number 8 and 9?
8 and 9.
Yes, please.
Well, number 8 would be like, would you like an ice cream? And the number 9. Sorry. Shall we stay here?
Shall we stay here? That's it. Really good. You have done a great job. So now let's pass to Yusmari. Are you there?
Pudiese ser teacher.
10 and 11.
Okay. Hi, Jorge. to the Super Bowl with us.
That's it. Aunque aquí hay un error mío de la pregunta, se me olvidó colocar el verbo. ¿Ok? Sería go.
Go. Ok.
Can you repeat?
Entonces, sí. Hi Jorge, shall we go the Super Bowl with us?
That's good.
Ajá.
Oh, let me check.
Ajá.
Shall we go? Es como nosotros deberíamos ir al
Shall-
Super Bowl con nosotros.
Shall we?
No, porque shall we es como deberíamos. Y aquí
Ajá.
tenemos con nosotros. With us. Entonces, como, hola Jorge, ¿deberíamos ir al Super Bowl con nosotros? No tiene mucho sentido. And so, let's check. Here we have another. Can you use another? For example, this one is good because it doesn't have we.
Puede ser call we.
No, la cosa es que no tenga el we porque ya dice with us.
Ah, ya. Would you like?
That's it.
Would you like to?
Would you like to go?
Ajá. Hi Jorge, would you like to go the Super Bowl with us? Us.
Yes. Hi George. Would you like to go to the Super Bowl with us? Great.
Yes.
Now, what about 11?
La siguiente puede ser el call we playing soccer with us every weekend. ¿Sí?
No, because we cannot use could. Be careful, the pronunciation is could, like this. Could. Don't forget. The pronunciation is could. Always. That's the pronunciation of this word. And
Call.
could. Con U. Could.
Good.
That's it. Es así como la pronunciación de esta palabra es.
Could. Ajá. Okay.
Y la pronunciación de esta otra es would. Con esos dos siempre se confunden. Would solamente. No se pronuncia la L, no se pronuncia la O. Solo could. So let's check. Here we have playing, which is the gerund. So which one can we use with the gerund? Here.
Teacher. Let's walk in there.
No, because here we have playing. Playing.
Playing.
Cuando el verbo tiene ing se llama gerund. Gerund. For example, play is the basic form. Playing is a gerund. And to play is infinitive. Deberían tomarle screenshot de eso para siempre. Los va a perseguir hasta que terminen un nivel de inglés.
Okay.
Entonces, cuando les digo gerund, es que tiene ing. La única estructura que permite verbos en gerund, es decir, verbos con ing, es cualquiera de estos dos.
Okay. But how about? How about? Okay. El what about?
Okay, so what about?
Playing soccer with us every weekend.
Okay, can you repeat?
Disculpe.
Can you repeat? Can you try again?
Ya, teacher. Entonces dice, what about playing soccer with us every week?
That's it. Sounds great. So now, we are short on time. So let's do this quickly. Here we have Henry, can you do from the number 12 to the number 15?
Okay. Mm, uh, okay.
No worries, these are
Uh,
offers.
how about a cup of coffee?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, how about a cup of coffee?
Let me check. A cup, a cup of coffee is a noun, and that's something that you're providing or supplying. That means they are an offer. So here you have two options. Would you like, or could I offer you? Okay.
Ah, ya, sorry, Richard, son ofertas, ahí ya son ofertas, ya estoy ofreciendo,
Yes.
ya no son
Yes.
sugerencias. Ok,
Porque ya es una
sorry.
cosa que puedes dar.
Claro, ya estoy ofreciendo, ok. Ajá, es, would you like a cup of coffee?
Would you like? Yes.
Would you like, ajá. Y would you like a pie?
That's it. Really good. Now, what about this one? This is in gerund.
Sigue siendo oferta, sí.
No. This is in gerund. So this, if it is in gerund, it is.
Ok, ya, sorry, teacher. Sí. A ver, la pregunta otra vez. Ese es. What about giving? ¿Cómo se pronuncia eso? Giving.
Giving me.
Giving me a chance to help you.
That's correct. That's good. That's
Okay.
good. I think that's enough. Vamos a dejarlas ahí para pasar a la siguiente. Right?
Okay.
Here we have 3 questions that I will ask you. So let's start with Raquel. Can you answer the question number 1? Raquel, you there? Okay, I think she's not there.
Un teacher, aquí estoy, disculpe. Ok, ¿quién responde la primera pregunta?
Yep.
What shall we do this weekend? Wait a second. Shall we go to the cinema?
No, that's a question.
Because
if you want to say the answer, you need to switch the positions. We shall go. Okay, esto es para esa fue una pregunta y la respondiste en forma de pregunta. Shall we go? No. You have to answer. We shall go. Or
okay,
let's go.
Se intercambia el sujeto, ¿no?
Yes, or you can also say let's go.
We shall go to the cinema.
That's it. Really good.
And because, okay.
Why?
Because I like it.
Okay, because you like cinema. Sounds great. Now, Sergio, you there?
Yes.
Can you answer this one?
Yes, we shall speak more English.
Why?
Because I like it and it's very important.
Okay, because you think it's important. That's great. And yes, it is important. Really important. Now, Gerson, you there? What about this one?
Hello, teacher.
Number 3.
3, okay. Would you like to see a movie? Would you like to see a movie? Which one? Yes, Jeff, of course. I I wish see the Furiosa.
Furiosa.
Yes.
It's a new movie.
I like see I like see the movie Furiosa.
Sounds correct. I would like to see. That's good. So now, here we have some role plays. Here I will choose two students and you will have a conversation, okay? Here you will think that you meet a friend in the street and you make an offer or a suggestion to that friend, okay? You are on the street. So I will choose Edwards and Jessica. Can you try? Edwards, you there? Jessica, you there? Edwards. Creo que Jessica sí está, pero Edwards, creo que no. So let's pass to Jessica and Jorman. Jorman, are you there?
Yes, I am here. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's start. Say hi.
Sorry.
So let's start. You have to say hello. How are you?
Okay. It's a simple conversation.
A simple conversation, and you have to make a suggestion.
Okay. Hello, Jessica. How are you?
Hello, Jorma.
Jessica, would you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I like. No. Yes. I won't. No. I like. Correct.
Okay, I couldn't hear her.
Debo decirlo con esos tiempos.
No. Remember that here you have many options to say yes or no.
Yes. Like.
Okay. What kind of movie do you prefer? Sorry. Sounds great, Jessica.
That's great. Okay, you have amazing job. So really good. Can you turn off your microphone, please? Turn off the microphone. That's it. So now let's pass to Maciel and Irene. You find yourself on a mall. So what shall we do?
Okay. And who's going first?
Maciel, you there? think Maciel is not there, so let's pass to Reinaldo. Okay, I think Reinaldo is also not. Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
you will have a conversation with Irene.
Okay. Hi, Ronaldo. Hi. Are you there, Ronaldo? No.
I think Rinaldo doesn't hear you.
I think he doesn't have a good connection, so let's pass to Pilar. Pilar and Irene.
Hi, Pilar.
Yes.
Hi, Pilar.
Hi.
Would you like to go to window shopping with me?
Yes. It's a good idea.
Okay, let's go.
Sounds great. Amazing job. So, well, students, you have done an amazing job today. Now, do you have any questions about today's class?
No, teacher.
Not?
No.
Okay, that's great. So here we have some sentences.
No, teacher.
That's it. So here we have some sentences that I am going to read, and you are going to say if they are true or false and why. So, we only use suggestions for things. Is it true or false?
False.
False.
It's false. Why?
Because suggestion.
Because using we use for plants.
We use
We
it.
use for plants.
You're right. You're right.
Idea, plant, or action.
We use them for ideas, plans, actions, and we not only use things, because here we can also use verbs. I mean, on the structure, we can use verb in basic form, in gerund form, and many others. So, what about this one? We only use offers for plans. Is this true or false?
Well, I think it's false
It's false. Why?
because we don't use offers only for plans because there are many like many I can use offers for many things, right? Well, for example, if I want to offer you a slice of cake, I would say, would you like a slice of cake? And I think it's false.
That's it. We use offers with things, usually food or things that we want to give to another person. Okay?
Yes.
Sounds correct. So let me stop recording.